Hey girl, hey! I wanted to unbox some of our new arrivals from our fall collection. I want to show are these really cute blue gingham boxer shorts. These have been really popular. I did used to offer the red, but now I'm offering the blue. They are actual like boxer shorts, you know, like men's underwear boxer short material. Feel like they feel nice and airy. There's no stretch in the leg part, so if you have a little bit of a thicker thigh, I would size up, but I will show you guys and give a comparison. This was a size large, and I will definitely be styling these as well for y'all. I don't know why I haven't been doing more like outfit of the day content or more like styling content, but I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more styling content. This is so soft. I updated my phone to iOS 26 last night. I also have Apple CarPlay. I have Apple CarPlay. Oh, this ain't the cord. This is the cord. I have to plug mine directly in to my USB in order for it to work. But it's so cute. Let me turn the brightness up. It's so cute. Everything is glass now, so everything is see-through. This is my home screen. It is totally adorable. And for whatever reason, the Apple CarPlay isn't working. I just left TJ Maxx, and of course I was not planning on going in there, and I spent $40. Yay, spending money.